You are single, Kinosa?
Uy,
Namaligya lang. Binibinta. She is single but not available, Charis. Oh, she's Ilongga. She knows how to speak Ilonggo. Halati lain, dili ba siya lain te? Okay ra te no?
wala ang sana. Hindi na anak, laing anak.
Single but not available. Rose, single but not available. Single but not available. But you, Kino, you are married sa?
Single but not available. Pwede ko na sa kundi.
Till the day that Ay, hello, mami. Nag-update lang ko, mami, kay Moran. Ano man ko? 2 months ago, wala naka-live. Oh, you're single. Oh, same with Rose. Naku, na-nosebleed ako dyan kay Kino, oh. Call a friend. Na-nosebleed ako kay Kino. More. Last year lang. Salamat sa pagbisita, mami. Grannies. Thank you sa pagbisita. It's not goodbye. I have to start learning the Ilonggo as fast as possible. Yeah, you can. I don't know. I don't know how to because I'm not good also in Ilonggo, but my husband is Ilonggo. Little. Ate Nini, thank you. Base next year po, nakauli naman ko adtong June pero busy. Wala kayo time kalak wala gay ko nakamit ni Mami G. Kay ga sa bukid nagstay panasara sa kuan. Syudad unya kay ano pod akong bana nagbantay sa iyang igsuon. Kay gioperahan ato nga time ba. Talking to both of you, take care. Thank you, Kino. Thank you for visiting my LS. I hope you will visit also for my next LS. Cherries, if you're not busy. Thank you sa aking 5 million viewers. Thank you so much.